The Drag Specialties Optimate 2 Duo offers more. This power maintainer delivers 2 amps of charge current, ideal for charging and maintenance of all power sport batteries with a capacity between 6 to 48 amp hours. Optimate 2 Duo automatically adapts its 24/7 maintenance charge mode for 12-volt lead-acid or 12.8-volt LFP lithium, and is the right choice to maintain larger batteries in modern motorcycles with always-on electronics that draw power continuously. It can also recover a deep discharge battery from as low as 4 volts. Its Smart Save mode identifies if the battery is lead-acid or lithium and then applies the most suitable recovery charge. It will also identify if the battery has suffered permanent damage. It is fully sealed, protecting against accidental spillage. All Drag Specialties Optimate battery chargers are fully automatic, connect and forget, and the battery charger does the rest. One of these Drag Specialties Optimate battery chargers is the right choice for your ride. Find your nearest Drag Specialties dealer on www.dragspecialties.com.